Welcome back to Rowdy Relics. My name is Trevor, and this is my 1994 Toyota 4Runner. I just cleaned it up because today I have to fix some really poor bodywork that some idiot did. I'm some idiot. So today I'm going to try and give you guys a walk around in my Toyota 4Runner. The bodywork is immaculate. I love it. That's actually what I'm going to be tackling today, so we're going to get at that real quick here. I guess just looking at it, I got some custom retrofitted headlights. Those are from Applied Lighting. This guy does mostly Dodge trucks, but if you reach out, he'll do something custom for you. Very happy with those. High performance LEDs with a projector lens. Got my 10,000 pound Warren VR10 Evo. Yeah. Coastal off-road front bumper. We've solid axle swapped it with the IFS Eliminator kit from Trail Gear. I think it was a 79 or an 80 axle. Coastal off-road rock sliders. 38 inch by 15 wide, 15 rim Nitto mud grapplers that I siped up for snow. Sweet custom exhaust. I don't know who did that, but that's pretty cool. These awesome quarter panels. Got the Coastal off-road rear bumper. I swapped a pickup rear axle in and did a Chevy 63 Leaf conversion to get a bit more lift and a bit more stiffness. I needed the heavy duty springs. Those are 3/4 ton springs in it. I'm running air lockers front and rear. Front is a Yukon gear and axle, and then the rear one is an ARB because I couldn't get a Yukon by the time I ordered it. Can't complain. They work great. I got these ugly long john mud flaps on to try and be legal. Oh, we 3/4 swapped it because I blew up the 3-liter, had gasket problems. Obviously with air lockers I got onboard air. RCV axles in the front for these big old tires. So I got stock 456 gearing and I've just matched it in the front, and I'm pretty sure that just wraps it all up. But we're gonna get this thing in the shop. We're gonna fix that awful paint. Okay, let's go. Truck's in, and I got a hell of a mess to clean up from that guy. Okay, I just began to mask this off. I'm just working on the sides. I'm gonna throw a tarp over the windows. Big deal. We're gonna turn it black and pimply, and then we're gonna paint it blue, gray, whatever this is again. It's winter and everything is resting. Woohoo, gotta love Canada. Well, I think this is pretty funny because it actually looks better already. Oh, it looks like I just took it through the bush, really. I'm gonna start spraying some rocker guard on that. Only you're supposed to wait for like 10 hours or some crap for that stuff to dry, but I've had luck with it just 10 minutes. Minutes, hours, it's whatever, right? We're gonna get at it. As I've said before, it's a wheeler. It's not supposed to be pretty. Let's go. Nice. 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 Don't even grab a cardboard or nothing and wipe it on my pants. That's good. Gonna do the other side. Wow. Okay, good enough. If you haven't figured out already, don't take bodywork tips from me. Because I hate bodywork. So this is how I do it. Tin rivet Trev, that's my initials. TR for tin rivets. Gotta get that Karate Kid stance. Doesn't he do that? Paint the fence? Overspray is your friend. I hate Bodywork. Engine paint. Because I like the color of it, okay? Don't judge me. It's a cool color. I put it on like everything. See you in 10. Are you on 10 yet? Dry enough for me. Okay. We're gonna start turning that gray. Good enough. I'm probably gonna put a mask on after this side. That's a pretty good cover for first coat. Time for coat 2. Even through the rocker guard, you can see where all the paint flaked off. I love it. I love it. Nice. Oh, I forgot my mask again. Going real thick on this coat because rocker guard. All right, so we do this so that we can see dents and whatever and all the stuff you missed. And honestly, so far on 2 coats on that baby Jesus light, looks pretty good to me. Check out the other side. Oh, a little dark right below the fuel lid. Fantastic, look at that. I don't care. It's going wheeling tomorrow anyway, so we're gonna let this dry overnight and, well, after like at least 1 more coat. That'll be good. This should be good. Good enough for me, good enough for the runner. Yeah.
Okay, wear a paint mask to set an example for the kids at home.
If you're gonna paint, you should wear a mask. And you should also shave your beard so that the mask works.
Safety first. Safety first. Ah, my head. Jesus, no, it's on my pants. Uh-oh, I hope I have enough. If not, I don't really care. That's all she wrote.
Looks good to me. Shop's venting slowly out the 2 doors. And we're gonna go wheeling tomorrow, so see who breaks, if I break, see if somebody breaks, or hopefully we just have a great day. Good enough to go wheeling. Let's get this off. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm on an adventure. Yeah, let's go scratch it up. Wow. Let's go. This has been Trevor with Rowdy Relics. You know, like and subscribe and all that jazz, all that fun stuff. So, Trevor out.